Ping pong club.
To be fair, the paddle can be.
Hello.
Hi there.
I don't know who joined. I just
Someone
have like the thing full
called Corn
screen.
Dog just joined.
Yeah, I was gonna say all I see is corn dogs.
dogs.
Oh, it's mystery.
Corn dogs. Corn dogs.
Welcome, Mystery. You're part of a YouTube video now.
Corn dogs.
I think you mean you're part of the intro of the video. This is the intro clip now.
Shit.
Corn dogs.
Just corn dogs.
Corn
This
dogs.
is the intro. Alright.
Corn dogs. Okay, whoa, what are you scrolling through? You're going real quick.
Alright, so when are you recording?
Now, whenever, like the
Oh,
button's already
shit.
pushed.
Oh
Yeah.
shit, alright, cool.
Fantastic.
I gotta go get some weed though. Would you like to start with crappy off-brands? You had one job, Comic Sans Galore, or Spubby. There's
Which one-
also low battery sounds, which I'd like to show.
Which one do you like? Cause I don't Reddit.
You know what?
And when I do
We
Reddit,
haven't-
it's usually like, you know, history related or like smoking related.
We
That's about
actually have not been on low battery sounds even last 2 episodes.
Oh yeah? Well, the last one we
Yeah.
kind of just did like whatever memes we had collected and just sent it to each other.
True. So here's low battery sounds.
Has a message for you on your special day.
Do you hear it?
Yeah. I think that's happy birthday.
It is.
Wait, can't you get you know, do one of those for that?
No, I don't think I can for this version.
Fair enough.
Like, they'll know what it is, but I don't think it's the same.
911, let's go!
It sounds like it's dying. That's like horrifying. Yo,
Oh,
Hey.
no.
I fuck with that. That could be like a beat. I love the creepy vibe to it.
I'm still doing it normally now.
Look.
Santa after he's stolen your organs.
Dude hit the bottom and he was just like, ugh, now I gotta climb all the way back up. Ooh, toy cars. They always have like the worst speakers in them too. Love it. That reminds me of the Lidl Lee thing from Patrick. Think of all the joy you'll find when you leave the world behind.
Dear God.
You gotta
So
pause that.
funny.
Yeah, you gotta pause that one.
Doesn't sound like it was.
Nope. I was expecting like a really crunched that was easy, but it's just better because they zoom into the eyes too.
It's supposed to be Mozart.
Oh yeah, I love
You know what's-
Mozart.
Such. Something tells me it's not.
That is definitely a haunted toy. They found it at a church and
Found
it's
it at
making those
church.
noises.
It will make noise at the base. of a cat meowing 3 times.
I know a lot of things that'll make
But
noise
for
at the
a few
base.
years, it's gotten very wet. And now it sounds like it's turned into a demonic cat. So let's see if you all can hear this.
It sounds like that freaking frog.
Sounds like a goddamn laser weapon.
Yeah, the ending of it, eh? That whip right at the end.
So yeah, as you can see, this kitty cat definitely has some issues.
This reminds me of my grandmother's house.
Me too.
She had a musical doorbell, and it was always dead. Like, it was always
So it
really,
was
like...
this.
Well, it was like an older version of these things. But it was, like, always super low battery.
So it was like this.
So you'd ring their doorbell, and it would play some cursed, like, Christmassy music.
Like this, and just be like, like fucking corrupt.
Oh yeah, this one's very reminiscent of their doorbell. I love how it just falls at the end. The doorbell's just done.
Yeah, he did. He did.
Jesus.
Dude, straight up out here like, Scheisse!
Well, he wasn't ready for the
Nice.
doorbell, man. Ooh, you gotta click that one.
I don't. Hi.
Okay. All right, guys.
This is gonna
I
be
just have to
good.
share this. I think this is the funniest damn thing. All right. This is a Cars toy. It's running out of batteries. I was halfway passed out, and my kid was playing with it, and it just said the funniest damn thing. Now I know it's not what it really says. It's the batteries are wearing out. But I'll let you draw your own conclusions. I'll tell you when it's the right one, because I think it's random. All right, check it out. Come on.
I'm speaking back to the way you always struck my mind.
Wait, what did it say?
Did what to my mommy?
I definitely thought I heard the word cunt and mommy in there, and maybe the word
Listen,
fuck.
listen.
Sure, I heard
I
fuck
brought
my
it back a bit. I brought it back a bit.
I was gonna say, I'm pretty sure I heard fuck
Wait,
my
wait,
mommy.
wait. Slow it down a little bit.
You got it.
Not by too
Ah,
much.
fuck.
Ow! Look at the wish me luck. I'm speaking back to the way you always struck my mind.
You always fuck my mommy.
Yeah, it definitely said you always fuck my mommy.
Absolutely.
That's off.
I'm not sure
I
what
don't
it said
care
just
what
before
anyone
that.
says,
But...
That's absolutely what was said.
Canon.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, here it is. Here's the the beat drop, the fucking copyright-free, fucking beat created with a car alarm that was dying.
Honestly, I kind of fuck with it too. That's
Yeah.
pretty good.
Yeah.
It's not
You
even
should
annoying.
like rap to it.
Honestly, I would just like to have that as a car alarm.
Your call is now first in line and will be answered by the next available representative. Thank you for your patience.
What is that?
A copyrighted song, but you wouldn't be able to tell.
Oh no, wait, I know what song it is now.
Is a breed called the Koeyoshi. It makes a sound unlike any other rooster in the world.
Okay. That can't actually be it making it.
It's gotta be.
It just
That is
sounds...
fantastic.
He sounds like so angry and done with
Oh,
everything.
hey. actually
How I'd
disturbing.
love to meet the trapped child in that little box. Dear God.
Get him out!
Free the child.
I love these like
Requires
creepy
water.
toy sounds. That's one thing I'm looking forward to, like, if I ever have kids, like, when their toys' batteries start to die, they'll be like, can we put new batteries in? I'll be like, no, let's wait it out.
No, you're gonna enjoy this.
Mm-hmm. Just wait, kid. You're gonna never touch this toy again after. Trust. It's gonna make some, like, demonic noises. Summon, like, actual demons.
For sure.